Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and download a purchase from Gumroad. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, now we can get started by logging into our account. If you do not already have an account, just go and create one. So after logging in, you need to go ahead and log into your account or email that you made the purchase from. So after logging in, you can see this home page. But this is the home page of our own dashboard. What you want to do is follow the steps right here on the official Help Center article on how to access our purchase. So basically guys, accessing from your receipt is very easy. To access a digital product, you want to pull out your email receipt. So you can click the view content button to go to the product's download page. So you want to go ahead and open up your receipt, either you got in your email or you can go and take a look at the sales option right here. But this is for your own store and you're not going to go and be able to see sales that you have purchased. So you need to go to your email. If you have not received an email receipt, please check your spam folder. If you still can't locate it, you want to contact them. So you have the contact option right here if you need it to get in touch with them, explain what the problem is if you do not have your receipt. But if you have your receipt, you're just going to go ahead and access it and get started with accessing all your info about your product. From there, you can get started reviewing it, downloading it, sharing it, downloading your receipt, and so on, invoices, everything you need, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.